Probably can't see them on there, can you? But there's loads of goats. Counted 11 just now. Right, slap bang in the middle of the picture. Sage nearly had early breakfast. There's 2 baby ones as well. Oh, it's raining. Sage, it's raining. Better get off the mountainside, Sage. Hey. Come on. Raining today. What are you doing, Sage? Oh, what's going on?